If you're looking for a place that is unique, hippie, full of history and heritage, you might like the one that you're seeing today. Hi, my name is Jay, and welcome to my next home tour. So this is Tiong Bahru, and we are here to check out a conservation status apartment today. So Tiong Bahru is not only a hotspot for property buyers, it's also a favourite hangout spot for young couples, families and friends because of the good food, good cafes around this area. The apartment that we are viewing today is located in Tiong Bahru, very close walking distance to the MRT station and very close proximity to the Central CBD. So a little bit history about Tiong Bahru. It was revamped from Kampong Tiong Bahru in the 1920s to 1940s by the SIT to solve the housing problems in Singapore. So these pre-war apartments here were built in the 1920s starting from Block 55. And after 1942, where the World War II takes place, this housing here were restored and reconditioned by the SITs. And in December 2003, this housing here received a conservation status. And it was also the first public housing in Singapore to receive a conservation status. So if you are as excited as me, let's take a look at the place now. Welcome to the unit. So this is a 960 square feet 3-bedroom apartment, originated from a 2-bedroom apartment. Now once you walk in from the front door, this will be your living and dining area. And the owner has done up this place such that it is a very huge dining hall where it can accommodate 6 or even more friends, so you can invite more friends along to your place. And over here you have the biggest bedroom where the owner have used it as a master bedroom. This window here views the backyard of this house where you have a full privacy for yourself.
Now let's take a look at the price. So for example, if you want to live in the area of Tiong Bahru, what are some of the options that you can find for 900 plus square feet? In Highland Residences, it's averaging at about $1.7 to $1.8 million, and for Central Green Condominium, it's averaging at about $1.2 to $1.3 million. And for HDBs in Tiong Bahru, it's going at around 980 plus thousand. So this unit asking price is at 1.18 million. Now given the high rental demand of Tiong Bahru area, with rent transacting at about 3,500 to 4,500 a month, this is a place that is very good for investment as you can get a very good rental yield.
And on one side of this house, we have a common bedroom here. Plenty of space for you to use. You can fit a queen or king size bed, have a cabinet and a table. And because we are in a corner unit, we have more windows for better natural lightings and better ventilation. And over here, we have a good size functional kitchen. And this kitchen is unique because there's a lot of renovation ideas that you can work around with because of the high ceiling. And now I'm going to show you something special about this unit. Because we are on the ground floor unit, you have a direct access to this backyard. So this backyard is not a private area. It used to be a fireman access route for the buildings here, but you can turn this place into a garden, a washing bay, laundry area, or just an outdoor space for you to sit around and enjoy the outdoor breeze. Not forgetting that you have a spiral staircase view, and this spiral staircase is special because it's full of heritage and historical design elements that you can find. So if you like this place, do give me a call and arrange for an exclusive viewing. My name is Jay, and I'll see you in my next video.